Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Tutor Stats. In this video, I will discuss a problem related to probability distribution. So in this question, we have given a probability table or probability distribution table, and the one variable is number of students, and the other side we have been given probability. So we have probability corresponding to each number of students. Okay, so in this question I will calculate the expected number of students, calculate the variance for this distribution, calculate the standard deviation for this distribution, right? So the solution of part A. In the part A, we will calculate the expected number of students. Expected number of students. So the expected value of a variable x is defined as summation of x into p of x, right? And expected value of x is also known as the first order raw moments mu1 dash. So here in the table, here number of students, number of students is representing here by x variable, and probability is representing here by p, right? And we will use Excel to calculate this summation form, summation of x into p of x. So this is our data. This is the data from the question, and x is our variable number of students, and p is the probability corresponding to each values of x. So now we will make a column x into p, and we will multiply our x values with probabilities. Right, and now we will take the sum of this entire column. So 34.13 is the value for summation of x into p. Now we are getting the value of summation x into p of x is equal to 34.13. So this is the value for expected value of x is equal to 34.13. So this is our resulted value for expected value of x. So now the expected number of student is 34.13. 34.13 is our expected number of students. Now in the part B, we will calculate the variance for this distribution. Variance is the second order central moment, and it is defined as in form of expectation minus expectation of a whole square, or in form of the probability function we can write it as minus summation of x into p of x of whole square. So the value of summation of x into p of x is 34.13. Now we will calculate the summation value of x square into p of x by using the Excel. Now we will make here another column for x square into p. And here we will take the square value of x into probability. Here will be square into, so squaring the x value into probability, right? And now we will take the sum of this entire column. And this value is our summation of x square into p. From the Excel we are getting summation of x square into p of x is equal to 1167.89. Now this value we will substitute in the place of this expression. Variance of x is equal to minus and summation of x into px is 34.18 of square. So after solving this value or this expression, we will get 3.0331 variance of x. So this is the variance for the probability distribution. Now we will calculate the standard deviation for the distribution. The third part is calculate the standard deviation for the distribution. And we know that the standard deviation of a random variable is a square root of variance of that random variable x. We will put the value of variance of x, and the square root value of this value is 1.74158. The standard deviation value of the random variable 1.74158. So all these three values, expected value of random variable x and the variance of probability distribution and the standard deviation of the distribution, all these three values are the resultant value